Welcome to the exciting world of cloud computing, your ultimate destination to learn DevOps, cloud and CI/CD solutions. Get ready to level up your skills and dive into the world of new technologies. This is Vivek. I'm an AWS certified solution architect professional with 15 plus years of experience in DevOps, cloud, and CI/CD solutions. Today, we are going to discuss about Amazon S3 Bucket Simple Storage Service. Amazon S3 Simple Storage Service is a scalable cloud storage service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS. It is designed to store and retrieve large amounts of data in a highly available and durable manner. S3 offers object storage, where data is stored in containers called buckets. Each bucket can hold an unlimited number of objects, such as files, images, videos, or any other type of data. These objects are given a unique key, which is used to retrieve them. S3 is widely used for various purposes, including backup and restore, content storage and distribution, data archiving, and data analytics. Key features of Amazon S3 include 1. Scalability. Amazon S3 is highly scalable, allowing you to store and retrieve any amount of data, from small files to petabytes of data. It automatically scales to handle the demands of your applications without requiring any upfront capacity planning. 2. Durability and availability. S3 provides exceptional durability, ensuring that your data is highly resistant to loss. It is designed to provide 99.999999999% durability, meaning that, on average, you can expect to lose only one object in every 10 billion stored objects over a year. S3 also offers high availability, so your data is accessible whenever you need it. 3. Data security. Amazon S3 offers robust security features to protect your data. It supports access control mechanisms, allowing you to define fine-grained access policies for your buckets and objects. You can configure bucket policies, access control lists, ACLs, and integrate with AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, to manage user access and permissions. Additionally, S3 supports encryption at rest and in transit to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of your data. 4. Data management and lifecycle policies. S3 offers features like versioning and lifecycle policies, allowing you to manage your data effectively. Versioning enables you to keep multiple versions of an object, while lifecycle policies automate the transition of objects between storage classes or their expiration based on predefined rules. 5. Cost-effective. S3 follows a pay-as-you-go pricing model, where you only pay for the storage you use, data transfer, and any additional features you enable. It offers various storage classes with different pricing tiers, allowing you to optimize costs based on your data access patterns and requirements. 6. Performance and speed. S3 is designed for high-performance storage and retrieval. It provides low latency and high throughput, enabling fast access to your data. Additionally, S3 is integrated with the Amazon CloudFront Content Delivery Network, CDN, allowing you to distribute your content globally with low latency and high data transfer speeds. 7. Integration with AWS services. S3 seamlessly integrates with other AWS services, providing a unified storage solution for your applications. It can be easily integrated with services like AWS Lambda, Amazon Glacier, Amazon Athena, Amazon EMR, and many others, enabling you to build scalable and powerful applications. 8. Developer-friendly. S3 provides a simple and intuitive API, SDKs, and command line tools, making it easy for developers to integrate S3 into their applications. It also supports event notifications and triggers through AWS Lambda, enabling you to automate workflows and processes. Overall, the advantages of Amazon S3 include scalability, durability, availability, security, cost-effectiveness, performance, integration with other AWS services, data management capabilities, and developer-friendly features. These advantages make it a popular choice for storing and managing data in the cloud. Here are some common use cases for Amazon S3. 1. Data backup and recovery. S3 is often used as a reliable and scalable backup solution. It allows you to securely store backup copies of your data in the cloud, ensuring data durability and availability. You can easily restore your data from S3 in case of accidental deletion, hardware failures, or disasters. 2. Static website hosting. S3 can be used to host static websites. You can store HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and other website assets in S3 buckets. By enabling static website hosting on your bucket, you can make your website accessible to users over the internet. 3. Content distribution. S3 integrates seamlessly with Amazon CloudFront, a content delivery network, CDN. You can store your static content, such as images, videos, and files, in S3 and use CloudFront to distribute and deliver the content globally with low latency and high data transfer speeds. 4. Media storage and streaming. S3 is commonly used for storing media files, such as videos and audio files. It provides a reliable and scalable solution for media storage, and you can use AWS services like Amazon Elastic Transcoder or AWS Elemental Media Convert to transcode and stream the media files stored in S3. 5. Data archiving and long-term storage. S3 offers various storage classes, including Amazon S3 Glacier and S3 Glacier Deep Archive, which are specifically designed for long-term data archival and storage. Organizations can use S3 as an affordable solution for archiving data that is infrequently accessed but needs to be retained for compliance or regulatory purposes. 6. Big data analytics. S3 is widely used as a data lake or data storage solution for big data analytics. You can store large volumes of structured or unstructured data in S3, and then process and analyze the data using AWS analytics services like Amazon Athena, Amazon Redshift, or Apache Spark. 7. Content management and collaboration. S3 can serve as a central repository for managing and sharing files within organizations. Multiple users can access and collaborate on files stored in S3 buckets, making it suitable for content management systems, document sharing platforms, or collaborative workflows. 8. IoT data storage. With the increasing use of Internet of Things, IoT, devices, S3 can be used to store and manage the vast amount of data generated by these devices. You can ingest and store sensor data, device logs, or telemetry data in S3, and then process and analyze it using AWS services like AWS IoT Analytics or AWS Lambda. These are just a few examples of the many use cases for Amazon S3. Its scalability, durability, security, and integration with other AWS services make it a versatile storage solution for a wide range of applications and industries. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more topics.